What's up, fam? Today, I want to take a minute to talk about the healthcare system in America, or should I say, the sick care system. Now, don't get me wrong, it's great to have a place to go if you break your arm or you have cancer and they can treat you and make you better. So, I'm not talking about those cases, I'm talking about just the system in general. This isn't something that's talked about often, but the entire healthcare system in America was created by businessmen who wanted to sell more medicine. And so, up until today, the entire system has been built on that premise. And so, the incentives are aligned in such a way that if you can keep people sick, they need more medicine and you make more money. And so there are people out there, and I'm not condemning these people at all. It definitely sucks to be in this situation. It sucks to be a part of this system. And they spend $40, $50, $60,000 a year on medical expenses. And think about that. If you spend $60,000 a year on medical expenses and instead had like personal trainers for your entire life, like that's how much it would cost to have a personal trainer essentially your entire life. And that's how much people sometimes spend on medical care alone in a year, which is wild. And so yeah, that's why it's a sick care system, not a healthcare system. And I'm waiting for somebody to create an entirely new system that is actually based on keeping people healthy. And the current healthcare system would essentially be the new healthcare system, the new healthcare system's drug dealer friend. So you can go to this existing healthcare system when you want some drugs or an emergency surgery or something like that. But there needs to be a bigger healthcare system where people can actually be treated for the root cause of their suffering. Because there's something called, sometimes disease can be psychosomatic, which essentially means if you think that you're sick, you'll behave like a sick person, and which will attract symptoms to you. And don't get me wrong, the symptoms are very real. If your illness is psychosomatic, it is entirely real and valid. It's just that if you go to a doctor and expect them to understand your reality, your life better than you, what you're experiencing day to day, a doctor can never know more about you than you know. They can run some tests based on hunches that they have and stuff like that, which can definitely be helpful. Testing can be useful to know if something is there or not there and the levels of things. But psychosomatic essentially means that it can be cured with things outside of medicine, like therapy. And also trying to get therapy in America is also broken. Like, getting therapy isn't talking to a social worker about some intrusive thoughts that you had. Like, there are real treatments, energy healing, therapy treatments that you can take that are not covered by insurance, but would actually help you with your problems. I thought I heard somebody around here. Okay. And so, yep, that's my ramble for today. We need a new healthcare system. If somebody out there is building it, like, it could do like a lot of revenue. I mean, right now people pay thousands of dollars in recurring subscription to a healthcare system that doesn't keep them healthy. It's insane. And so I look forward to a day when we have a healthcare system that works and people can be liberated, live free, be happy, stay healthy. That's all I got for today. Make sure to subscribe. Leave a comment below with anything you want to say, any questions you have for me. If there's a topic you want me to talk about, drop it in the comments, or a question you want me to answer. I'll answer it. So, thank you. Have a great day.